3D printing unlocks endless possibilities, but it all starts with choosing the right filament. PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU. You've probably heard these names, but what makes them different and which one is best for you? Let's go through each type of filament, where it shines, where it fails, and how to choose the right one for your model. PLA is the most popular and beginner-friendly material. It's odorless and works on most printers. Perfect for figurines, decorative models, and prototypes. Has disadvantages. Brittle, warps above 60 degrees Celsius, not suitable for functional parts. Use active cooling and keep both the filament and printed models away from sunlight. ABS is known for its strength and heat resistance, great for functional parts, casings, and mechanical components. Has disadvantages. High shrinkage, requires an enclosed printer, emits fumes when printing. Use glue or Kapton tape to improve bed adhesion. PETG combines the ease of PLA with the durability of ABS. It's flexible, strong, and moisture resistant. Ideal for long-lasting parts, mounts, brackets, and mechanical components. But has disadvantages, can cause stringing, harder to achieve smooth surfaces. Print slowly and avoid overcooling the layers. TPU is flexible and rubber-like, used for phone cases, gaskets, and parts that need elasticity. But has disadvantages, requires slow print speeds, performs poorly with Bowden extruders. Ensures smooth filament feeding, no tension or resistance in the spool. Nylon, extremely strong and wear-resistant, great for gears, mechanical parts, and tools, but has disadvantages. Absorbs moisture from the air, needs high nozzle and bed temperatures, can warp easily. Store unused nylon in a sealed container with a desiccant. PLA mixed with wood, bronze, or carbon fibers looks impressive. Excellent for decorative projects, but has disadvantages. Wears out the nozzle, often requires larger nozzle diameters, 0.6 millimeters or more. Use a hardened steel or ruby nozzle. Your filament choice depends on the task. PLA for simplicity, PETG for strength, TPU for flexibility, ABS for toughness, and nylon for professional-grade parts. Experiment. Over time, you'll know which material fits your needs best. Most importantly, don't be afraid to try new things with Gambody.